Welcome back to my new video. This video, I'm going to teach you how you can read in your CSV file with Apache Spark and then select some few columns from the data frame and then write the results back to a new data frame. Okay, so if you have watched my previous video, we recorded a video on how to read CSV. So I'm just loading the CSV in, which is this command. And then we are going to print the schema, print schema. Okay, so as you can see, these are the column names with the types. Okay, so what we are going to do is that your boss wants to just see 3 columns, okay? The CD, the state, and then the zip. So that is the requirement from your boss. Your boss wants you to give him or her 3 columns out of the data frame, which is the CD, state, and zip. So what you are going to do here is that we have 3 or no 4. Okay, let me put it this way: 2 types of saving modes. The first one is the overwrite, the append, ignore, and then error. We are going to just look at the overwrite. So override meaning that if the data already exists, override it. We are not going to use the append mode because we are not adding data to the existing file. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to say df.write, okay, dot, let's look at what we're going to use, dot the mode, okay. So you can write to JSON, you can write to CSV. So we are going to look at the, okay, let's look at the format first. Format is CSV. So format, going to pass in CSV, which we are going to save, dot the mode we are going to look at is override. And then we are going to apply the save function. Okay, this one, save. So save. We're going to call it new data.csv. Okay. And then also remember that we need to select those 3 columns. Okay, so we're going to say dot select. That is what your boss wants. CD, state, and then zip. Okay, so what we are doing here is that we are selecting the 3 columns, which is the requirement, and then we are writing that as a CSV format. And if the file exists, we want to overwrite to that file. We don't want to append to it. If we want to append, we just pass in append here. And then the new name for the file is new data.csv. However you want to call it, you can call it that way. So at this point, we can enter. Okay, so it's done. So what we are going to do is we are going to exit and then check our directory, which is this one. So we're going to cd into it. It's a directory, so we're going to cd into it. And then you see the file has been partitioned into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's been partitioned into 3 different parts. We could have done it differently to avoid partitioning the file, but I'm going to show you in the future video how you can avoid this partition. So you can repartition the data frame before saving it. Okay, so if I remember, I think it's a repartition. Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you this in a future video, so don't worry about it. So let me see. Let me see. I think I need to show you this. Think we need to dot repartition. Let me see. df reparti. Yeah, repartition. It takes an argument 1. Okay, so let me remove the CSV. Okay, so that is how it works. We want to repartition the data frame. All those 6 CSV files that you saw, we want to combine everything into one. Okay, so that is the idea. So let's seed into the new data. So as you can see, it's been repartitioned into just one single file, CSV file, instead of I think it's new data CSV. Let me see. Oh yeah, I'm in a different directory. Okay, so basically that is the idea. Let me just do L. Okay, so basically instead of getting all these 6 partitions, we've been able to repartition it into just one CSV. Okay, so let's look at cat part. Okay, so this is the entire data set with the 3 columns. Okay, so as you can see, this is the city, the state, and then the zip. Okay, this is what your boss was asking for. Okay. Yeah, so basically that is it. Let me see. Head, first, and part. Okay, so this is the few rows in this data set. Okay, so basically this one has all the 6 partitions, and this one just has the one single partition because we repartition it to one. Okay. Yeah, so I think that is all for this video. If you have any question, any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to also subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.